Hi loves, let's make Caesar salads. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. So let's make the dressing. In a mixing bowl, put 1 egg yolk. Set aside, and I'm using a anchovies like this. So it's about 5 pieces and slice it into small pieces. And 1 lemon. So squeeze the lemon on the egg yolk and mix it. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil and mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard. And using a hand mixer, it's better to blend it to get the right consistency of the dressing. And add the anchovies and 1 teaspoon of grated garlic and mix until well combined. So this is ready, set aside. So in Caesar salad, we use a romaine lettuce. So just slice according to your what do you want. Slice it about 2 to 3 inches each like this, and put in the big mixing bowl. I already washed this, so that's it. And pour the dressing and garnish it with Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, and mix until well combined. So this is ready. So I have leftover salmon, so I just fried this, seasoned with salt and fried the salmon. Skin first. And garnish it with white pepper and paprika and fried until golden brown. So you can use chicken also, chicken breast on this recipe. So ready, let's just assemble. So it's good to have a 1 bowl of the salad and add the salmon. And this is our keto meal idea. It is good for dinner and lunch, and add more grated Parmesan cheese. I've also put red onions, just small amount, and this is ready. I hope this Caesar salad will help you in your keto journey. Thank you and God bless. Love you all. Bye bye.